Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Timemore C3 grinder. Getting the right grind size is crucial for delicious coffee. You'll find the adjustment dial at the top of your grinder. Turning it clockwise makes your grind finer, perfect for espresso. Conversely, turning it counterclockwise will give you a coarser grind, ideal for French press. Let's dive into specific settings. Different brewing methods demand specific grind sizes. For a rich espresso, start with 6 to 8 clicks from the 0 point. If you're brewing pour-over, a medium grind of 15 to 18 clicks usually works best. For a full-bodied French press, aim for a coarser grind, around 21 to 24 clicks. These are great starting points for your brewing journey. Achieving the perfect cup often involves fine-tuning. Make small adjustments, typically just 1 or 2 clicks, then brew and taste. If your coffee tastes bitter, your grind might be too fine. A sour taste often means your grind is too coarse. Experimenting with these subtle changes will help you unlock the best flavors from your beans. Maintaining your grinder is key for consistent results. Regularly clean your Timemore C3 to prevent old coffee oils and particles from affecting your grind. Carefully disassemble the burrs for a thorough cleaning. This simple maintenance routine ensures your grinder performs accurately every time, helping you achieve delicious and consistent coffee with every brew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.